how to create a subscription service in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over to our catalog, head over to store products, and then click on the list products option. Now, once you have done that, you can head over and then create a new product, which is a subscription service. Let's click on this use product right here and just choose which one you want, and then just choose one because we still have the option to change it into another one later on. So just wait for this. So from this, just scroll down to the very bottom until you can see the subscription. Click on this create a subscription option and then just choosing here the name of the subscription. For example, let's name this Pro. And you can also put in here a tagline and just choosing here subscription details. It can repeat every month and expire after some billing cycles, or it can also be never expiring. So for this one, you can also apply a discount if you would want. Let's offer it here a 10% discount. And it will regulate for this one as well. Now just choose which one you want to use for this. And then click on apply right here in order to apply this. So that's how you actually create a subscription service in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.